Friends, myself Anand and you are watching World 37. Today we will do unboxing of MI power bank 2i 20,000 mAh. This is a made in India product. Okay, now in the box. Okay. Okay friends, this is you can see this is 20,000 mAh power bank. Now what we have inside, this cable. Okay, okay, this product is a high capacity portable charger that uses Li polymer battery and chip for a safe, efficient and compatible user experience. Friends, you can see this is USB output. Both are USB outputs, and this is micro USB input. And here it is LED power indicator, and this is power check button. You can see here, this is power check button. One thing I would like to tell you, the power check button is not a power button. And friends, this power bank detects charging and discharging automatically. The power indicator goes off 2 minutes after fully discharged. Friends, this power bank has multiple safeguard technologies to provide overcharge, over discharge, high temperature and short circuit precautions in all working conditions. And this product has a built-in USB charging controller compatible with most smartphones, tablets and devices. It supports mainstream fast charging devices. Okay friends, now we will talk about some precautions while using this power bank. First, make sure your power bank is fully charged on its first use. Second, when charging a device with MI power bank, make sure your device displays the battery charging icon and MI power bank is working properly. Third, when charging MI power bank or charging a device with MI power bank, make sure to use a standard charging cable. Fourth one, recharge shortly when MI power bank is in low power mode. Next is, when charging a device with MI power bank, the device will use MI power bank power first. And the things which we don't need to do is, MI power bank contains lithium polymer battery cell, so please do not open the casing to avoid cell damage or other dangers. Do not dismantle, crush, puncture and short circuit MI power bank or expose it to liquids, fire or environment where temperature is above 60 degrees. Now friends, I will tell you about the price. The price is very nice. The total price is 1,499. So it's a cheap product and a best quality product. Okay friends, thank you for watching World 37.